Have you ever watched someone walk into a room and instantly command everyone's attention? They seem to have this magnetic pull, especially when it comes to attracting women. It's as if they possess a secret key that unlocks attraction without even trying. What you might not realize is this: it's not magic, it's psychology. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of attraction psychology, revealing 11 powerful techniques that can make any woman like you. We're going to expose the secrets that most men will never know about captivating a woman's heart. Let's unlock your potential. Eye contact is the most powerful tool in your arsenal when it comes to attraction. It's the first point of connection, a silent language that speaks volumes. When you lock eyes with a woman, you're not just looking at her, you're seeing her. You're showing her that you're present, engaged, and interested. But it's not just about staring intensely. It's about holding her gaze for a beat longer than usual, allowing a flicker of a smile to play on your lips. This conveys confidence and a sense of ease that's incredibly alluring. Think about it. When someone avoids eye contact, it can signal insecurity, disinterest, or even dishonesty. But when you maintain strong eye contact, you communicate the opposite. You radiate confidence, authenticity, and a genuine desire to connect. Remember, the eyes are the windows to the soul. And when you master the art of eye contact, you open a window to genuine connection and attraction. Have you ever noticed how good friends seem to move in sync with each other? They finish each other's sentences, their laughter erupts at the same time, and even their body language mirrors one another. This isn't a coincidence, it's the chameleon effect in action. This powerful psychological phenomenon suggests that we subconsciously mirror the behavior of people we like and feel comfortable around. It's a way of building rapport and creating a sense of connection. By subtly mirroring a woman's body language, tone of voice, and even her energy levels, you can create an instant sense of familiarity and comfort. If she leans in while she's talking, lean in too. If she speaks softly and thoughtfully, match her tone. Don't make it obvious or robotic, just subtly reflect her energy and demeanor. This subconscious mirroring sends a powerful message. You're on the same wavelength. It creates a sense of harmony and understanding that can rapidly accelerate the attraction process. We all love to receive compliments, but there's a difference between a generic compliment and one that truly resonates. Most men throw out compliments like confetti. You look nice, I like your hair. But these surface-level compliments rarely leave a lasting impact. To truly capture a woman's heart, you need to master the art of the sincere compliment. This means going beyond the superficial and noticing the things that make her unique. Instead of complimenting her appearance, compliment her energy, her intelligence, her sense of humor, or a specific talent or achievement. Notice the details that others often overlook. These genuine compliments show her that you're paying attention, that you see beyond the surface, and that you appreciate her for who she truly is. And that's a powerful way to make a lasting impression. Chapter 4. Show vulnerability, the courage to connect. Vulnerability can feel like a risk, but it's the key to deep connections. Share your authentic self to create genuine intimacy. Be open and honest about your thoughts and feelings. Show your human side, flaws and all. This courage and authenticity invite love and intimacy. Chapter 5. Use humor, the key to laughter and lightness. Laughter is the soundtrack to a happy life, and it's a powerful tool for building attraction. When you can make a woman laugh, you're not just entertaining her, you're creating a positive and memorable experience. Humor is a sign of intelligence, wit, and the ability to see the lighter side of life. It breaks down barriers, eases tension, and creates a sense of connection and shared enjoyment. Don't be afraid to be playful, to tease gently, and to share funny stories or observations. The key is to be genuine and authentic in your humor. Don't force it or try to be someone with a sense of humor. You create a positive and uplifting energy that's impossible to resist. Chapter 6. Be a good listener, the art of truly hearing her. In a world obsessed with distractions, true listening has become a rare and precious gift. Most people listen with the intent to reply, not with the intent to understand. But when you become a good listener, you unlock a powerful key to a woman's heart. Being a good listener means being fully present in the moment, putting aside your own thoughts and distractions, and giving her your undivided attention. It's about listening not just to her words, but to the emotions and unspoken messages behind them. Make eye contact, nod your head, and offer verbal cues that show you're engaged. Let her know that you're truly interested in what she has to say. When you listen deeply and attentively, you make her feel seen, heard, and understood. Chapter 7. Display confidence, not arrogance, the fine line of attraction. Confidence is undeniably attractive. Walk into a room with your head held high, a genuine smile and self-assuredness, and you radiate an energy that draws people in. But there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence is knowing your worth and being comfortable in your own skin. It's about believing in yourself without needing external validation. Arrogance is an inflated ego and a lack of genuine humility. Display confidence without crossing into arrogance. Be assertive without being aggressive, proud without boasting, and open to learning without feeling threatened. True confidence is quiet and understated. Genuine confidence creates an aura of irresistibility. Chapter 8. Create shared experiences, building bonds that last. Shared experiences are the building blocks of lasting connections. When you create memories with someone, you weave a tapestry of shared moments that strengthens the bond between you. Instead of just going on typical dates, think outside the box and create experiences that you'll both remember. Go on an adventure, try a new activity together, or simply spend an afternoon exploring a new part of your city. The key is to choose activities that you're both genuinely interested in, something that allows you to connect, laugh, and create lasting memories. These shared experiences don't have to be extravagant or expensive. It's the quality of the time you spend together that truly matters. When you create positive and memorable experiences with a woman, you associate yourself with those feelings of joy, excitement, and connection. Chapter 9. Be mysterious, the allure of the unknown. In a world of instant gratification and oversharing, there's something incredibly alluring about a touch of mystery. When you reveal everything about yourself up front, you leave no room for curiosity, intrigue, or the thrill of discovery. Being mysterious doesn't mean being aloof or playing games. It's about pacing yourself, revealing your layers gradually, and leaving her wanting more. Don't feel the need to fill every silence with conversation. Let there be moments of comfortable silence where she's left wondering about your thoughts. This air of mystery keeps her engaged, curious, and coming back for more. It creates a sense of anticipation and excitement as she gets to know the different facets of who you are. Chapter 10. Show kindness, small gestures, big impact. In a world often focused on grand gestures and superficial displays, it's the simple acts of kindness that truly touch a woman's heart. Kindness is a superpower, and it's one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. It's about treating everyone with respect, compassion, and empathy, not just the woman you're interested in. Hold the door open for an elderly person. Offer to help someone struggling with their groceries. Donate to a cause you care about. These small acts of kindness speak volumes about your character. They show her that you're not just about words, you're about actions. They reveal your genuine heart and your willingness to make a positive impact on the world. When you embody kindness, you become a beacon of light, drawing people in with your warmth and generosity. Chapter 11. Be yourself. Authenticity is your superpower. In a world that often tells us who to be and how to act, there's nothing more powerful than embracing your authentic self. When you try to be someone you're not, you're essentially wearing a mask, and masks eventually slip. Authenticity is about being true to yourself, embracing your quirks, and letting your true personality shine. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, even if it means being different. Don't be afraid to express your passions, share your unique perspective, and let your true colors shine. The right woman will appreciate you for who you are, not who you pretend to be. When you embrace your authenticity, you radiate a sense of confidence and self-acceptance that's incredibly attractive. You attract people who resonate with your true essence, creating genuine and fulfilling connections. So there you have it, gentlemen. 11 powerful psychological tricks that can make any woman like you. Remember, these techniques are not about manipulation or trickery. They're about harnessing the power of psychology to create genuine connection and attraction. Get ready to transform your interactions and attract any woman with techniques that few people know about. Put these insights into practice and watch as your dating life transforms. Until next time, gentlemen.